In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to safely delete contacts from your audience. We'll walk through the exact clicks you need to make, along with a few practical tips to help you avoid removing the wrong records by mistake. By the end, you'll know how to permanently delete contacts and when it's smarter to archive instead. First, head to your audience area, then open Contacts from the left sidebar. This brings up your contacts table, where you can see each profile in a row. Take a moment to confirm you're in the right audience or list view, especially if you manage more than one. If you have a large database, it can help to narrow your view with filters or search, so you're only looking at the people you truly intend to remove. Next, select the contact or contacts you want to delete using the checkboxes beside their names. If you need to remove several at once, you can check multiple boxes. Some tables also include a checkbox in the header row that selects all visible rows, but make sure you review the selection before moving on. A quick scan here can prevent accidental deletions. If you change your mind about anyone, simply uncheck their box. With the right contacts selected, look to the top right corner of the table for the three-dot menu. Click the icon to open the Actions menu, then choose Delete Contact. This is the command that begins the deletion process for the records you've selected. You'll be asked to confirm the deletion. Read the prompt carefully. If you're required to type the word delete, enter it exactly as shown, paying attention to capitalization, and then confirm. This final step is designed to make sure you truly intend to remove these contacts. A quick but important reminder: deletion is permanent. Once a contact is deleted, it's removed from your audience and cannot be recovered. If your goal is simply to hide certain contacts from day-to-day views or exclude them from sending without losing their history, use Archive instead. Archiving keeps the data in place while taking the contact out of active circulation, which can be a safer choice if you're not entirely sure. That's the whole process. Open Audience and then Contacts, select the right people with the checkboxes, use the three-dot menu to choose Delete Contact, and confirm the action by typing Delete if prompted. Take a moment to review before you confirm, and when in doubt, archive rather than delete. Thanks for watching, and proceed carefully to keep your audience clean and accurate.